Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 84 of building the Ecto-1. In this issue, we're fitting the door that we've completed. I say completed, we haven't quite completed it. We've got to do that. And then we're going to be starting on the door that I believe probably goes just behind it. Is it that sort of shaping? It got that sort of curve to the... Maybe. Mate, we'll find out where it goes. First of all, we're going to finish this door, though. Let's have a look. We've got some attachments to put onto it. I'm going to be doing this out of order because I can. We've got the door catch, which is just that tiny little metal post which goes into there. I don't know why we couldn't have done this when we were playing around with the door, but do that now. We won't do that now, apparently. I'll do that in a minute. Let's try one more time. No, there's a good chance that it's just going to ping. So I'd rather not have it ping, live on camera. Well, you might not be able to see it anyway, because I think my head's in the way. Like that. Almost like that, but not quite. I should get that done behind the scenes. The other bits we've got to do are these trim pieces, which are going to go in place. Let's move this out of the way and that out of the way so I know what I'm doing. Right, so we've got 4 different lengths of trim, one of which goes under that, there, and what's the bottom? No, what? I thought it said 4 pieces, but it might have only said 2. What are the other 2 for then? For the other door that we haven't got to put on yet? Why are they giving them to us now? 4A. Yeah, it's right up the top, level with that, and then underneath that. Right, okay. Right, there's one right at the top here that I missed. So the shortest one is going to go right at the top here, that way around. That adds a certain something. Quite like that. The next piece is going to go underneath here. It will only go one way round because the holes and the pegs on the back are in specific locations. So that's actually just not that piece. It must be that piece. It is that piece, but I was trying to get the wrong hole into the wrong hole because there's multiple bits. So yeah, it goes even further under that than I thought. Just like that. That pushes into place. Quite lined up, but it will be. I'll get it done in a minute. The longer one will go at the top here. That way round. Go in there. It adds a little twist of something just to make it look that little bit nicer. I wouldn't have missed them. If they weren't there, I wouldn't have missed them. But now they're there. It does look quite nice. So that is that. I'll get the outside bit on. Then we need to see about fitting that to the frame. But I'm going to do that later because it means getting the whole bodywork in place. So I might as well do this bit first while I've not got everything in the way. To this, we're going to be fitting the hinge. And I shall be fitting it the right way round on this one. So it actually has to go that way round. So that goes on there like that. That goes underneath that like that. Or have I got that the wrong way around now? Yes, no, it was that way around because it comes this way, not that way. So the flat side has to be on the inside of the door. So that goes on there like that. There are 2 screws that hold that in place and 2 washers that go in place first. So the spring can operate at the best of its ability. So let's get those done. one washer over there, then the big screw right way round. Come on. Here we go. And there, like that. And the same with the other one. On there, like that. Right, I shall get that tightened up, and then bring in the body. And oh no, one more thing. We've got to fix this with the screw that I've already got ready on that. That goes onto this door as well. Goes on over here. Again, like that. And again, we've not got that little catch bit. Thought we'd do that with this one, but no, we'll do that with the other one. Yeah, strange. But that later, but there we go. So let me get this tightened up and put that on there, and then bring in the frame and attach the door. Right, the little catch piece has gone in there with a little screw through that. The door needs to sit in place. Oh, like that. It's sort of gone into the right place. Like that. And then two screws come in from the other side. I'm pointing with this finger from this other side. You can't see it, but I am. So I shall have to do that off camera, obviously, because of everything. So I'll get that in and we'll see how the door works. Right, there we go. Door attached and opens and closes. Nicely done, even if I do say so myself. So I'm happy with that. The other door will obviously go behind it there, I believe. I'll have a quick look. Oh no, this will be the other side because it's got the hinges. What are the hinges under there? I can't. Oh no, the hinges are there. Yep. So that's going to go in there like that. It's all coming together now. Obviously, we've got a long way to go. We've got to build up the interior of that door first. So I'm pretty sure we'll be doing that very, very soon. It's already heavy, and this is just the top bit, so it's not going to be fun doing this. I thought I'd enjoy this build, but I'm enjoying it less and less as it goes on because it's getting heavier and unwieldy. But it will look good when I'm done. So join me for the next part. Enjoy my pain. I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye for now.